I'm Prem. Welcome to our channel, everyone. Right, today we've come to Bradford, haven't we, Dev? In West Yorkshire to try this place that you've been saying and you've been recommending for me and Dev to come to in Bradford. So, we're going to Oastler Market in Bradford City Centre to try this fantastic place that is doing some fantastic doner meat, masala fish, kebabs, you name it. Yeah, they do burgers, other things as well. But you've been saying that their doner meat is fantastic. Now, this place, yeah, has been inside the market for 30 years. Yeah, originally opened by their dad. Yeah, and now their son's taken over the business. Yeah, but this business you've been saying is fantastic, thriving, and people that are coming past just come there for the doner meat and chips or naan or whatever, but they always have the doner meat. Yeah, and another thing you've been saying is that their sauces are bang on. Yeah, they're famous mint sauce, spice mint sauce. Yeah, like Dissy mint sauce. Yeah, which will complement the doner kebab so nicely, and I'm looking really forward to it. And he also said that they also make in-house their fresh chili sauce. So I can't wait. Can you wait, Dev? Yeah. So we're gonna go. Yeah. We're gonna go and try this doner kebab and maybe masala fish or some burgers or whatever or Seekh Kebabs. We'll see. So Kebab Corner in Oastler Market in Bradford. Here we come. Welcome everyone to Kebab Corner in Bradford, in Oastler Market. Fantastic in it to be here, Dev, because we've been recommended by the viewers to come down to this market in Bradford and try out their fantastic doner kebabs, yeah, and masala fish, yeah, which they're specialised in. So that's what we've done, and it's a lovely place, yeah, fantastic menu, lovely different choices. So Dev, we're just going to go up, aren't we? Yep. Yeah, we're just going to go up and place the order, see what they recommend, and we'll bring it to the table and we'll review it and give a star rating. Right everyone, we've just been to Kebab Corner, we've just placed our order and the food's just arrived, hasn't it, Dev? Yeah. So what we've ordered, so Pete, do you want to have a look at this, is a masala fish and a doner kebab and chips. Fantastic. Looks amazing, doesn't it? Yeah. Two good sized pieces of cod masala fish and chips, lovely fresh salad, yeah. And Dev, yeah, opted for the doner kebab and chips with fresh salad. Lovely, yeah? Fantastic. Doesn't it look nice? Yeah? Got plenty of seats for you to sit down and have your food. So, this, everyone, yeah? Masala fish, chips, doner meat and chips, salad, both, and 2 drinks, £10.50. Is that a bargain or is that not a bargain, Dev? So let's get stuck in, Dev. You get stuck into your doner. I can't see any chips, they're underneath the berries. It's a good sized portion, isn't it? Lovely. Right, just gonna. Suppy, let's have a look at that. Looks lovely, doesn't it? Yeah. Lovely, crisp batter, and lovely cod inside. Looks amazing. Can't wait to try it. Oh, nice. Got a nice spice level to the batter. Crispy coating, which I like. Oh yeah. It's like that. Nice.
Oh. It's got loads of taste. Spot on.
Just gonna have a sip of the pop.
Wow.
And you, like I said, you've been saying, been getting recommendations from the viewers on the channel to come and try this.
Wow.
Chips alright as well. Very nice. We're just gonna. Dev, you want to pass me that chili sauce as well? Got a couple of sauces here, haven't we? I'm just gonna try the mint sauce. You want to try the mint sauce, Dev?
Yeah.
So I'll put it on one side. Yeah, a little bit. And I'm just going to try the chili sauce as well. But fantastic place, fantastic menu, and not high prices. So getting good food for low price, you know. So good value for money. Let's just try this mint yogurt.
It's got a little spice to it.
Yogurt.
Nice.
Yogurt's got a right kick to it. Oh. Gonna try this chili sauce as well. Wow. Very, very good sauces. Yeah. Freshly made chili sauces, so the hot chili sauce has got a right banging kick to it. Yeah. And the mint yogurt, made in house, you know, Asian style. It's got a lovely, lovely heat level to it. Very, very good. Can't fault it. Can't fault the Masala Fish stuff. Wait until you try this. It's fantastic. Oh.
It looks like you're enjoying that.
I am. Got a little bit of spiciness to the batter, Dev. So when you try it,
It looks really nice.
it is lovely.
I love it when it's got a red colour.
Yeah. Right. Let's try this. I've really enjoyed it. Well. Lovely. Can't fault it. You swap, Dev?
Yeah.
Yeah. So, like I said, I mean, you can. I mean, I find it easy just breaking it up and just trying it, Dev. Just be careful of that chili sauce. But look at it. Everyone, that's the right portion, isn't it? You know?
It's full to the top.
Fantastic. Lovely.
Oh, look at that. Oh, wow. Oh, so crispy.
Nice. Told you it was nice. The doner meat is lovely as well. You know, not dry.
So white inside.
Really, really tasty.
Oh. Just hear that crunch.
Oh. Like it, Dev.
Oh. Yeah.
Just gonna try it.
Oh.
If you need drink, Dev, drinks there as well. I'm just gonna try a bit. This chili sauce is lovely. Absolutely stunning. Ooh. Massive doner strips. I mean, when I went over to place the order, that's what they said, that everybody likes at Kebab Corner, you know? Everybody loves trying this doner kebab that they do.
To be honest with you,
Yeah?
I think this is the best fish I've had.
Is it? Do you like Masala Fish, yeah?
Yeah.
It's got a spice coating on there, Dev. Break it off nicely. That's it. Get biting now. Lovely.
Oh, so crispy. Cooked fresh.
Very good. You know, we've been to a lot of places where they've not been high prices, yeah, but sometimes the food's quality's not been there. This place delivers not only on price point, but also on quality point, which is really, really important to me and Dev. Is that right, Dev? Because food needs to be good quality and very tasty, and this is, you know. So for people that like doner kebabs and masala fish, this is a place to come. Really nice.
Oh.
And it's inside the market, yeah. So it's a little bit hidden away, but you know. So if you don't know about it, you wouldn't really know about it. But honestly, you know about it now. So come and try this place, isn't it, Dev?
Yep.
Yeah. We were saying that they've been inside the market for a long time, actually, but you know, it's only like because of your recommendations, you know, that we're getting to come to these little hidden gems that I call, and discover these places that are producing fantastic food in your local area.
Oh. I just love this.
Could eat it all day, Dev. It's absolutely stunning. The sauces, the mint sauce is stunning. Yeah. And the chili sauce is stunning.
Should I try the chili sauce?
You try it, you've got a drink. Basically, got a right bang and bang kick to it.
Huh. Yeah.
Yeah?
Oh, it's quite nice.
Like it, yeah? Right.
Oh.
Fantastic. Right, Dev. Let's give you a tissue as well. I think, Dev, if you're ready, we'll go for the star rating.
Yep.
You ready? Dev's ready. I'm ready. So, today, everyone, we've come along to Oastler Market in the heart of Bradford. You know, nice market, lovely market, but you've been saying to come to this market and try Kebab Corner out, and that's what we're here, and that's why we've come to try. So we've been to Kebab Corner, haven't we, Dev? Yeah. And we've ordered the doner kebab that they recommended. We ordered with chips, yeah, lovely fresh salad, and we also ordered what they recommended as well, masala fish, yeah, with chips, lovely fresh salad again, lovely sauces, chili sauce and the mint yogurt sauce, yeah, Asian style, got a right banging heat level to both of them, lovely, stunning, and complement both dishes really, really well. So, I mean, for me, yeah, one of the best doner kebabs I've tried. Yeah, it's not dry, good strips, good portion, you know, and very tasty. The masala fish, cod masala fish, stunning. Yeah, very, very tasty. Batter, crisp, got a nice spice level to the batter, a lovely heat level, perfection. And like I said, all this, yeah, for £10.50, and it's quality food. So for me, everyone, it's got to be a rock solid 5-star rating. I have loved the food. Yeah, really, really stunning. What about you, Dev? Over to you, son.
So the masala fish, oh, it was lovely. Just a lovely crispy edge to it, and so soft inside and lovely and white. And the chips boiled hot, crispy, and the doner was so much taste to that, so much flavour. I just couldn't fault it. So for me, it's got to be a rock solid 5-star rating.
Brilliant. So I've given it a rock solid 5-star rating. Dev's given it a rock solid 5-star rating. So we both highly recommend Kebab Corner. Yeah. So if anybody's around Bradford, coming through Bradford, city centre, around this area, honestly, yeah, get yourself down to Oastler Market. Get trying Kebab Corner out. Fantastic food, lovely menu. But for me, yeah, you've got to try the doner kebab out. You've got to try the doner meat out and the masala fish, stunning. So thank you everyone for all your support for me and Dev. We need your love and support, and that's what you're giving us. So thank you so much. Is that right, Dev? Yeah. So keep on supporting us. Keep on liking the videos, subscribing to the channel, sharing the videos, and pressing that notification button bell so you don't miss any of our latest videos. You got anything else to say, Dev?
Just press that red button. It really helps us.
Yeah, it does, it does. But I mean, me and Dev, like I said, appreciate your fantastic support. Yeah, without you, this channel would not be doing so well. So until next time, everyone, you look after yourselves, take care, enjoy the lovely sunny weather, and we'll see you soon.
So, all I've got left to say is Kebab Corner in Bradford, you're officially being Star My Takeaway Food Review.